Hi friends, welcome to Food vs. Sharma with me Suman. As we all know, Indian families Saturday is incomplete without maa ke haathon ka khichdi. So today my mom would be making the traditional khichdi with all the goodness of health and taste. So let me get into the kitchen and see how mom prepares it for us. Here we have taken 250 grams of Moong Daal or yellow lentils. We need to cook it till it slightly changes its color into red. So we can see pulses have turned slightly reddish in color, so we can put off the flame and keep it aside. The next thing that we will do is to fry all of our vegetables. 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 cups of cauliflower. So whatever vegetable is available to you, just chop it down and fry them up one by one. Also, if you are in hurry, then you can fry all of the vegetables together. But if you are looking for a really great taste in the khichdi, then would suggest you to fry the vegetables one by one. Because cooking time varies based on the vegetables to get it perfectly cooked. In the same pan, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic and chilli paste. Cook until raw smell goes off. Now in a deep container, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 red chilli, 2 bay leaf, half inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and 2 cardamom, half teaspoon of cumin seed. Here we will add our moong dal. Now give it a fry. And then add 250 grams of rice. I have used here Govindabhog rice. It is a short grain, white, aromatic, sticky rice having a sweet, buttery flavor. However, you can definitely use the normal rice. Add salt as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix all together. Add in the ginger garlic and chilli paste. Here we will add 4 to 5 glasses of water. To it, we will drop in our fried vegetables. Lots and lots of vegetables. Now cover this with a lid and let it cook on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes wait is over now, and I can't explain, it just smells delicious. To enhance the flavor, we will add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix all together and you can see our traditional maa ke haathon ka khichdi is ready to be served now. Guys, do give this a try at home and share your experience with me. I have given my Instagram and Facebook's links in the description box. So if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool recipes. Until next video, stay tuned.